This is Channel 4. Please stand by. Emergency information follows shortly. This is Channel 4 World Service on behalf of Channel 4 Broadcasting Group. We interrupt our regular programming to bring you an important announcement. As of a few hours ago, the Channel 4 Broadcasting House has received a bomb threat from an unknown party. It is suspected that it has been sent by Miyataki paramilitary group, Saigai. Deliberations with IUNA Interpol, the Royal Portobello Army Police, and Channel 4 Broadcasting Group have resulted in the necessary decision of evacuating the Channel 4 Broadcasting House. This means that Channel 4 Portobello, Channel 4 Miyatake, Channel 4 World Service, and Channel 4 Radio will all stop broadcasting until the foreign body has been found. IUNA Interpol and Royal Portobello Army Police will patrol the area in and around Broadcasting House. Please tune into local radio stations and television channels for further updates. Stay away from the immediate vicinity of Broadcasting House. Channel 4 is now shutting down. Saigai will not win. I will not win and will never win. Goodbye for now.